50 glagola za svaki dan. To be. I am happy. Happy. I am happy. Ponavljajte za mnom, jer što više ponavljate na glas, imat ćete više samopouzdanja pri izgovoru. Idemo zajedno. Have. She has a cat. She has a cat. Do. They do homework together. Do homework. They do homework together. Go. We go to school. Idemo zajedno. We go to school. Come. Come here. Come here. Get up. He gets up at 7. He gets up at 7. Make. My dad makes dinner. My dad makes dinner. Ne zaboravite da ponavljate naglas. Nije isto da li ćete izgovoriti samo u sebi ili ćete zaista na glas izgovoriti svaku rečenicu. Ovo drugo je mnogo bolje i mnogo efikasnije. Take. She takes the bus. Take znači uzeti, uzeti nešto, ali she takes the bus, u ovom slučaju ona ide autobusom. Take the bus je ići autobusom, kao koristiti autobus. She takes the bus. Eat. We eat breakfast at 8. We eat breakfast at 8. Eat breakfast znači doručkovati. Eat može da se promeni. Ako stavite obrok posle, onda glagol menja značenje. Eat breakfast, jesti doručak ili doručkovati. Drink. He drinks water in the morning. He drinks water in the morning. In the morning. He drinks water in the morning. Sleep. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Wake up. I wake up early. Early. Slobodno izgovorite na glas. I wake up early. Work. She works in a bank. In a bank. She works in a bank. Study. They study English in the evening. In the evening. They study English in the evening. Ako vam je suviše brzo, pauzirajte snimak i izgovorite više puta sami. Read. He reads books. He reads books. Write. I write emails in English. Ovo prvo slovo ne izgovaramo. Prvi glas je R. I write emails in English. In English. I write emails in English. Speak. We speak English. We speak English. Listen. Ovdje ne izgovaramo T. Listen. She listens to music every day. Every day. Listens to music. She listens to music every day. Watch. They watch TV in the living room. In the living room. Watch TV. They watch TV in the living room. See. I see a bird. Bird. I see a bird. Ovdje imamo glas kao da se nešto pitate, kao kad niste sigurni pa kažete bird. I see a bird. Look. Look at the sky. At the sky. Look at the sky. Open. He's opening the door. He's opening the door. Close. She's closing the window. She's closing the window. Buy. We buy milk. We buy milk. Sell. They sell flowers. They sell flowers. Flowers. They sell flowers. Pay. Idemo zajedno. He pays by card. He pays by card. By card. He pays by card. Play. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. Outside. The children are playing outside. Run. She runs fast. She runs fast. Walk. Ni ovdje ne izgovaramo slovo. Sad je L. Walk. Dugačko O. Walk. I walk home. I walk home. Sit. Please sit down. Please sit down. Stand. They're standing near the window. Near the window. They're standing near the window. Drive. My mom drives. My mom drives. Ride. Drive se odnosi na kola, a ride se odnosi na bicikle, na motore. He rides a bike. He rides a bike. Cook. Dad cooks dinner. Dad cooks dinner. Clean. She cleans the room. She cleans the room. Wash. I'm washing my hands. My hands. I'm washing my hands. Help. We help our teacher. We help our teacher. Our teacher. We help our teacher. Call. He's calling his friend. He's calling his friend. Give. Ponavljajte za mnom. They give me gifts. Gifts. They give me gifts. Show. Show us the picture. Show us the picture. Find. She will find her keys. Her keys. She will find her keys. I još jednom zajedno. She will find her keys. Lose. He never loses his things. His things. He never loses his things. Start. The lesson starts now. The lesson starts now. Finish. We finish at 5. We finish at 5. Live. They live in Serbia. 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 They live in Serbia. Love. She loves coffee. She loves coffee. Like. He likes pizza. He likes pizza. Need. I need a pen. I need a pen. Sada pogledajte video iz početka i svaki put ponovite naglas. See you!